In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block IP in Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a precise rule that stops unwanted traffic from a specific IP without affecting the rest of your visitors. Start by signing into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the main view, head to the domains area so you can see all the sites connected to your account. Choose the domain where you want this block to apply. Everything we configure next will only affect this one domain, which helps keep changes controlled and predictable. Inside the selected domain, open the Security section. This is where Cloudflare centralizes protective settings for your site. Next, go to Security Rules. This area lets you define conditions and actions that Cloudflare will evaluate on every request. Create a new rule and choose the Custom Rules option. Custom rules give you fine-grained control over what gets allowed or blocked. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later. Something like block-specific IP works well for quick scanning in a longer list. Now it's time to define the condition. Set the field to IP source address. This tells Cloudflare to look at the visitor's originating IP. For operator, choose equals. This is the strictest match and is ideal when you know the exact IP to block. In the value field, enter the IP address you want to block. Double-check the address. One digit off could block the wrong user or fail to block the intended one. This works for both IP and IPAL. Under Then Take Action, choose the action. Select Block. Block immediately stops matching requests before they reach your origin, which is typically what you want for abusive or clearly unwanted traffic. Next, set where this rule should be placed in the order. Rule order matters. Cloudflare evaluates rules from top to bottom. If this block is critical, place it near the top so it isn't overridden by a later allow rule. Confirm the order selection so it appears where you expect in the list. When everything looks right, name, condition, action, and position, click deploy. The rule takes effect right away. From this point forward, any requests from that exact IP will be blocked at the edge, reducing load on your server and keeping unwanted traffic out. If you ever need to adjust the IP, rename the rule, or change the action, you can return to security rules and edit it safely. And when you're done testing, keep your rules organized so future changes stay clear and low risk.